Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be talking about organic chemistry, particularly ethers organic compounds. Before we start, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our fun educational videos. We have previously talked about what organic chemistry is, but let's recap. Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that focuses on the study of carbon-based compounds, typically involving carbon-hydrogen, CH, bonds. What are ethers? Ethers are organic compounds that consist of an oxygen that is attached to an alkyl group and a hydrocarbon chain. How do we name ethers? First, we find the longest hydrocarbon chain. Next, we name the alkyl group that is attached to the oxygen and we change the ending from YL to oxy. Include the position number of the carbon that the oxygen is attached to. Lastly, we add the parent name at the end. Let's see some examples. So we have this compound. Let's start by numbering this compound. Now the first thing we do is find the longest chain, which in this case is ethane, and there is also a methyl alkyl group. So the oxygen is attached to the first carbon of the chain, so we write 1. Then we write the alkyl group attached to the carbon and remove the YL ending. So 1-meth, then we add oxy followed by the parent name. So the name of this compound is 1-methoxyethane. Here is another naming example for ethers. Let's start by numbering this compound. So the parent chain is pentane, we have an ethyl, and the oxygen is attached to carbon number 2. So we write 2 to indicate which carbon the oxygen is attached to, followed by eth, then oxy, and lastly, pentane. So the name of this compound is 2-ethoxypentane. What about drawing ethers? Take a look at this name, 1-methoxypropane. First thing, we draw the parent chain, which is propane. Next, we attach the oxygen at the very first carbon. Since it says 1-methoxy, then we know that the alkyl group that is attached to the oxygen is methyl, so we draw a methyl, and that's it for this compound. Here is another example. This compound is called 2-methoxy-3-ethylpentane. Let's start by drawing pentane, which is the parent chain. Next, we add the oxygen at carbon number 2, and we also add the methyl group to the oxygen. Then we see that there is an ethyl at carbon number 3, so we draw an ethyl, and that's it for this compound. That's it for ethers. We hope you all enjoyed this video and learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye.